back to my channel. Hope you are doing well in your lives and again back with a long period of time. So आज हम जा रहे हैं अहमदाबाद for like 2 days trip. तो मैं plan किया है कि मैं सब कुछ vlog बनाऊंगी, सब कुछ video बनाऊंगी wherever we are staying, whatever we are doing, whatever we are eating. Like especially हमारा plan था Statue of Unity जाने का. So it's like Diwali time and 2-3 days का हमारे पास like holidays है. And even I am not well because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा cold and cough हो गया. But still I managed to come for this trip. So I will try to share every details about the trip with you guys. Hope you like it. If you like it, do like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to share with all your family friends. So let's start the video. On the very first day, our trip had started and we reached from Nasik to Kevadia, where Statue of Unity is located, and it took us to reach 8 to 10 hours. And the first hotel which we checked in was Enrise by Sayaji. It was a completely green area. It's a 4-star property and a 4-star resort which has been shown by the Google reviews. It is completely surrounded by the most beautiful greenery. It's so calm and so peaceful. You can literally feel the freshness, the air, hear the birds, swimming pool, noise of daily life for a bit. Now let's have a nice room tour. Hello. Do you guys like the room? Do you guys like the room? मम्मी मेरा चार्जर भी निकालना, मेरे फोन में चार्ज नहीं है. Hello मम्मी. We all are pink today. See, हमने मिसमैच करके पहना था, but somehow हम सबने आज पिंक पहन लिया. Hope I'm looking good. So we just now checked into our room and अभी इसके बाद हम जाने वाले हैं Statue of Unity after having our lunch. And this was the scenic view from our room window. As we are so tired, we took some rest and we had our lunch here. And now we are going to Statue of Unity. तो मैंने जो टाइम स्लॉट बुक किया that is from 4 to 6 PM and उसके बाद जो लाइट शो होने वाला है that is after 6 PM. So yeah, let's go and enjoy it. Once you reach Statue of Unity, there you can see buses will be available there. Along with that, these pink autos were available there. They were charging 1,000 rupees per auto and they will be going to give you a full day whole trip to the whole Statue of Unity. So we come up through the elevator and this is the 12th floor of this whole Statue of Unity, and from these windows you can see the Sabarmati river. Due to this Diwali, they had also arranged Rashtriya Ekta Divas for all the people who are visiting to the Statue of Unity, and it was just amazing. Once you come out from the Rashtriya Ekta Divas lighting, the whole streets everywhere they have decorated with beautiful lights and everything is very sparkling and very lightning there on that day. So after this, I had already booked 6 p.m. light show, but the light show actually starts from 7:30 p.m. onwards. So you can see here there are so many people. Everyone booked their ticket. Even you can get the tickets on the spot as well, or you can book through their online websites. I had booked my tickets through online website. We booked a express entry ticket for this one. After this, we just wrapped up our first day and we went back to our hotel to have dinner. The day starts slow. We just got ready and stepped out, and the swimming pool is already alive with laughter. Morning vibes don't get better than this. We just completed our breakfast and we started our second day. Day 2, a new rise, a new city. We just started early, making our way to Ahmedabad. It took us 3.5 hours on the road and the city welcomed us with its warmth and color. We just checked in to Radisson Blu, our little home for 2 days. Being a premium member at Radisson Blu has its perks on its own. I had booked an executive room for 3 of us, but to our surprise, they upgraded us to a beautiful suite room. A spacious, elegant and so well designed. Let's take a look inside. Here's the suite room tour at Radisson Blu, Ahmedabad. So we are so tired after this. We just had a short rest and a quick meal. It was time to head out again. As the sun began to set, the city of Ahmedabad came alive. The calm waters of Sabarmati riverfront, the stunning architecture of Atal Bihari Bridge, and the colors of the flower park. Each spot had its own charm, a peaceful evening to remember over there. In front of Sabarmati riverfront, they have created a 7 stories multi-level car parking for the people. This is the outside view of the Atal Bihari Bridge from the flower park, and everyone is taking photos and reels over there. And the next place we went to Law Town Market, जहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे चनिया चोलीज, लहंगा, स्कर्ट्स, स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग के लिए परफेक्ट प्लेस है. आपको कोई भी ड्राइवर इधर ही लेके जाएगा. सो हम भी गए थे एक्सप्लोर करने वहाँ पे. Now the next day, day 3 started, or I can say day 2 started in Ahmedabad. I just woke up, washed my hair, dried it up and did some quick skin and hair care. And I got ready. Hi guys, this is our second day in Ahmedabad and in Radisson Blu. So we are all set, we are ready and now we will be going to breakfast for now. उसके बाद we are planning कि पहले हम अक्षरधाम temple जाएंगे and उसके बाद we will be going to Science City. So let's see how is the day. Our first stop was the beautiful Akshardham temple in Gandhinagar. They were not allowing us mobile phones or smartwatches inside, so unfortunately I couldn't record any videos. But honestly, the serene beauty was just amazing there. So अभी हम आए हैं साइंस सिटी गुजरात में एंड हमने ऑलरेडी बुक कर लिया है टिकट्स. 349 का मैंने एंट्री टूर कॉम्बो मेरे को मिला नहीं जो 499 का था. तो वहाँ पे उन्होंने बोला कि जो एक्वेटिक गैलरी एक्स्ट्रा वाला है वो वाला मैं ऑन द स्पॉट वहाँ पे जाके बाई कर लूँगी. फॉर नाउ आई जस्ट बॉट 349 का टिकट जहाँ पे सब कुछ इंक्लूडेड है और पार्किंग चार्जेस एज वेल. एक्वेटिक का जो है वो मैं वहाँ पे जाके ऑन द स्पॉट बाई कर लूँगी. So mainly they have entry combo 1, 2, 3, tour combo and extra parking charges. We went inside the thrill ride and after this we went to Science Museum, which is actually for children and kids.
Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me.
Next one is the aquatic gallery. So in my ticket it was not included, hence I was supposed to buy a ticket and the ticket was 200 rupees per person. This aquarium is really a bigger one with lots of varieties of fishes. And next we went to IMAX 3D movie theater, which was about 45 minutes and the sitting arrangement was a huge number.
Come and fly away with me.
And the next we went to robotic gallery. So inside the robotic gallery they have a robo cafe where robots will going to serve your foods and dishes over there. This is all about Science City and we are heading towards home. We're actually very much tired today क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे I think 12 बजे आए थे और अभी कितना टाइम हो रहा है? 5.5 घंटे हो गए इधर ही साइंस सिटी में. तो लेट्स नाउ गो. वी आर ऑल टायर्ड, बहुत ज़्यादा टायर्ड हो गए. इवन बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी थी. मम्मी, हाउ इज़ योर एक्सपीरियंस दिस?
बहुत थक गई, टायर्ड हो गया गर्मी में.
बहुत गर्मी
बहुत
थी.
गर्मी है.
अंदर गए तो वो एसी था बट द थिंग इज कि वो कुछ मिनट की बात है. वंस यू अगेन कम बैक, बहुत ज़्यादा डेंजर गर्मी था बट ठीक है, वी एंजॉयड अ लॉट. नाउ लेट्स हेड टुवर्ड्स आवर होटल. After the scorching heat, we just came back to our hotel and we were surprised by some beautiful Diwali celebration hamper, and then we completed our dinner over there. After our dinner, we decided to head out for a little night street round just to explore the nightlife around there. So we are all set to leave today because हमारा 3 दिन का ट्रिप खत्म हो गया है. We will have some breakfast for now and then we will leave for Nasik. On our way back, they just surprised us with Gujarati snacks and a see you soon cake. It just made us so happy. They even clicked a photo of us. Their hospitality and their gesture is just wow. Let me just show you the main attractions of Gujarat which you can plan in your next trip.